This is a quick video on how to access the controllers on the EVOLV Pro. To do that, you'll need to get inside the deck, remove the grip tape on either side, undo the screws, lift the deck off, and these are your controllers here. You can remove the one heat sink and the foam padding, and this is the wiring. It's strongly recommended to take a photo for yourself just so you know how everything fits back together, because it can be a little bit difficult to put everything back in so it fits. So this is your lighting module. Battery connections down in there. These are the fuses for the battery. There are also more wires down in the side here. So take off that front light. There's 2 screws up top, 2 down below. The wiring in here is to do with the rear tail lights and the rear motor, and there's a couple communication wires between both controllers. So you may need to get in there as well. Otherwise, most of what you'll need is in here. We'll put a graphic up on the screen to show what everything is connected to make it easy to reconnect everything. But again, it's strongly recommended to take a photo or a quick video as you're taking things apart so you know how everything fits back